everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hold your pencil correctly while you're drawing. Now for this tutorial I'll be using a regular pencil and not this mechanical pencil. I don't know why I was holding this, so let's just pretend that never happened. So there are two common ways of holding your pencil. The first one is called a tripod grip and the other is overhand. Let's start with tripod grip. Now when you are holding your pencil in the tripod grip, you're basically having all power to your wrist. You're holding the pencil with your thumb, index, and middle fingers like writing, and the grip is more comfortable for using the tip of the pencil and drawing thin and uniform lines, very small, precise lines. It's good for small strokes and thin lines. The second one is called the overhand grip, and you're holding your hand over the pencil. Your hand should be relaxed with the fingers and thumb, lightly holding the pencil. You can still use the tip of the pencil, either by bending the wrist forward or a little bit to the backward to get different lines, like thicker or thinner lines. Now let me show you the difference between working with your wrist and your shoulder. So we're using the power of our shoulder. While drawing with your wrist, it's very good for small strokes and details. And if you're going to be drawing longer lines, you're not going to get very uniform lines, unlike the shoulder. It's much better for steady lines and straight lines, short and long lines, because you're having more control of the movement of the pencil. So if you're doing the overhand grip, again, using your wrist, you're not going to get steady and fluid gestural lines because your shoulder provides a greater range of drawing larger shapes, curvy lines, and it's really great for gesture drawings. You can always switch between the two grips and use the overhand grip or the wrist, but then since your wrist doesn't allow longer strokes, we end up with a bunch of short lines to create one longer line. So it's very messy. It can get really messy. Now when you're using the overhand grip, you're holding the pencil. Overhand allows you to use the side of the pencil. You get larger strokes of tone. You have more power in controlling the consistency of the pencil. You can roll the pencil forward or backward to control the thickness and edge quality of the line. Also, if you want softer or harder lines, you can always have full power and full control, just like that. If you're holding the pencil sideways like that, you get thicker lines or thinner lines, depending on how you're moving your shoulder. With a slight turn of wrist, while you're at it, you can get different strokes from thin to thick. So I hope you found this tutorial beneficial, and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye.